Hi, I'm Mary Jo, here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Tabs 3. Today I'm going to talk about how to add an image to a statement. So if we have a statement design that we've set up in the Statement Designer, we can actually add an image to the top or bottom or wherever it is that you'd like. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So in Tabs, we go to our Statement tab, then to Statement Setup, over to our Statement Designer. We have the ability to actually add images. So if you have an image for your letterhead or some graphic that you want to put up here instead of just words, you can add it using the little image button here, Add Image. Now you may have a specific template that you've created down here, or set of templates that you're adding it to. So just remember, wherever you're adding that layout, that image to whatever layout, that's where it's going to show up. Now I'm in sample layouts under the firm name here, and I'm just going to add it just down in this somewhere on this page. But there is a little add image, so we're going to click on that. And then it's going to ask you to find the image. Now one thing that you have to remember and be very careful of is the image needs to be in the actual directory where the Tabs software is located. So if you're not sure where that directory is, you can go into Help, About Tabs 3, and look at the current working directory. Right now I'm in our STI NFR copy, and so that's located at the S drive /STI NFR. So I need to make sure that I save my image in this directory. If I put it out on the desktop or in another directory, other users may not have access to that, and if they run a statement, they're not going to get the image. It'll have a big old X there, which doesn't help at all. So what we want to do is put that image in there, which I have already done. I've put my image out there. The other thing to remember is you can save images in 3 formats. It can be a JPEG, it can be a bitmap, or it can be a TIFF file, or I'm sorry, a PNG file, I believe. Yes, PNG file. JPEG, PNG, or bitmap file. So any of those types of files, you are able to go ahead and save in that type. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate out to that file and find that picture that I have saved out there. And so we are going out to that S drive, and then I'm going out to the NFR. And I named it ACS header, so there it is. I have it as a JPEG, and I'm just going to select that header and say Open. Now the other thing you have to be careful of with your images is sizing. So whatever the sizing is in here, whatever that image quality was, you can see it's all shrunk up in here. Now I'm going to just kind of move this other stuff down for just a minute, just so we can put this image here. But I can drag these sizes and stretch it out into whatever proportion it is that I need. But remember, you need to have a very good high quality image that you're going to be able to stretch that so you're not having any distortion. So be careful with that. You can use a little corner to get it in perspective there, however you need to. And then you can center that on the page or move it down, whatever it is that you need to do, wherever that needs to go on that page. And I'm just using my bottom arrow key, just moving it down. And I would double check that and make sure it wasn't fuzzy or anything, but you get the idea. I can get an image in there on that particular layout that I have. Now, if I want to do this on other layouts, I would simply just go ahead and pick those. And again, click on the image, bring that image in, stretch it to the right dimensions. Once you've got the dimensions, if you go ahead and double click on that image and open up the image properties, you can also right click and choose properties. You can see what the actual size is. So if I've already stretched it and got it exactly how I want, I don't have to recreate that wheel. I could either copy it and paste it into the other layout, or I can come in and just manually in the properties put in whatever that width and length and height and all of that should be. So I could put it in there to get it the exact same way. And you can see where that path is. There's my S:/STI NFR. So that way you can see where that's pulling from. So if you ever have that problem where you're trying to print a statement and there's a big X, go check that path. Just double click on that image, see what the path is in the properties, and you can tell whether or not it's in the right directory. Then all you have to do is move that to the proper directory, and then it should show up again. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to visit our website or give us a call. Thanks.